Magandang umaga po, napakainit po, umaga, napakainit. So yun guys, magluluto po tayo ng ito po guys, manok. Yung manok po, ipiprito po natin, fried. Tapos yung kalahati po, prito, yung kalahati po, adobo. So watch this. So guys, uunahin natin yung paa ng manok. I know, the thigh part. Ito po.
Ayusin mo, batukan kita.
Kasama yung legs. Okay, and then lagyan po natin ng crispy fry spicy. Ajinomoto, baka naman. Ito po guys. So natin. Guys. Budburan natin hanggang sa paligiran siya ng crispy fry. Yes. Guys. Then, i-massage po natin. Ayan, ganyan ang pag-massage. First, alam nyo na, marunong ako
Ulol,
mag-massage.
batukan kita eh. May nalalaman kang massage eh.
Wow. Okay. Then, ibabad po natin na mga 3 minutes, pwede na itong isala. Okay? Okay guys, we will put our pan, then open the gas. And then, put some of oil. More and more. That. All, everything, put all. Very nice. Very nice. Wait until okay. Okay guys, our oil already hot. It's like 1,000 degrees Celsius.
Gago, ulol ka.
So we will put now the thigh part with legs. Okay. Alright, I'm done like that. Then put this one. The skin. I love skin. Alright. And now we will wait until brown. On the side and on the side also, balik na rin po natin. So guys, we wait until 10 minutes. So yun guys, naluto na yung skin natin. Titikman natin ito guys. Pero palamigin muna natin. Minute. So yun guys, tikman natin yung skin. Suwabe! Panalo! Day pang Jollibee, McDo, KFC. Wow! Yeah! You're right, I'm wrong. This is my own way how to cook fried chicken. This is my original. See? Crunchy. Then this one, if you bite, you can feel the tender. Very nice.
Sampaling kita dyan eh.
My goodness. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, after 10 years. Balik ko rin natin yung natin guys. Oh my God, my goodness. Oh! So guys. Lumalaban siya guys. So guys, after 20 years, joke lang, we finish our product, the 5-part fried chicken. Okay, ito na siya siya guys. Ayan po guys. Luto na si Batman. Fried chicken. So, susunod na natin yung adobo, yung kalahati po nito. So, magiging ang recipe po natin ngayon, adobo with fried chicken. Kakaiba, di ba? Kaya nga sabi ko, tama kayo, mali ako. This is my own way how to cook. So guys, ito yung mga panahog natin sa adobo manok. Pag nag-adobo ako guys, ayan, pinupukpuk ko lang yung, hindi ko siya hinihiwa ng maliliit. Ganyan lang po guys. Kasi gusto kong malasahin yung bawang. And then, we will put some of potato. Slice into two. So, hindi. Okay. So, yan guys. So, yan guys. Ito yung pinagprituan natin. Open the gas. And then, put the potato. Piniprito ko muna yung ano guys, yung patatas. Saka ko amoy, saka ko ilalagay. Ayan po guys, hanguin ko na po yung patatas dahil na-prito na po siya. Then, igigisa na po natin yung sibuyas. Ayan na. Sibuyas, onion, and garlic. Ito, until brown. And the onion. Ayan po guys. Ito na yung bawang na sibuyas natin. Lagyan na natin yung manok. Isayin natin ng 24 oras. Joke lang. After 3 minutes, then we will come back. Okay? And now, we will open again to mix again. Then we will put now our tomato. Okay. Then we will put our seasoning. And 1 cup of water. That. More. Okay. Then we'll put our Indomie sweet soy sauce. So So guys, wala akong paminta. So optional ko po, sili. Then laurel. Then seasoning. Then we will put some of vinegar. And then salt. Okay. Then mix again. Okay, then we will cover it. And we will wait until 10 years.
Yo! Lol, gago!
After 5 minutes. So guys, after 10 years, ito na po. Wow! Pag-melted na po siya guys. Oh my God. Ready na po guys. See? Wow! Very nice, very nice, very nice. Already melted. Tikman na po natin. Let's taste this one. Rapsa! Sakto sa timpla, tama sa asin, tama sa alat, tama sa tamis. So guys, luto na po ito guys. Ayan po. So, this is our finished product. Magpi-plating na po tayo. So guys, eto na po yung plating natin. Ubusan natin sarsa. Put the sauce on the top of fried chicken. Okay? Alright. And this is our finished product. Fried chicken with adobo chicken. Ayan guys. So guys, oo, tama kayo, mali ako. You're right, I'm wrong. This is my own way how to cook. So see you for our next vlog. Bye-bye!